It's a living, breathing document. Don't say, how much is it? What's the cost attached to that? Don't say, I don't know how much it costs. Oh, I don't have the numbers in front of me. Don't say, look, I've got the front numbers in front of me and I still don't know how much it costs. Charles, there are a lot of moving parts. I can totally fuck this up because I just didn't read your email.
There may have been miscommunication.
And never ever say, I flirted with Jenny from finance and lift.
No, say I had a cross-functional meeting with finance and there were a lot of